Right. I know I said I was going to talk about this. I haven't quite finished evaluating it yet, so instead I'm talking about this. So this is that little hollow ground knife I was making. I've made a very traditional style pouch sheath, and I think this is kind of the sheath that this particular type of knife came in. So leather, it's quite tight, which is what you want. Here's the knife itself now. So I've given it, the handle is shaped and contoured. It's got Makata, it's got orange G10 Loveless bolts, very traditional Loveless bolt. Try and bring that into focus so see. So it's got a brass kind of outer eye and a stainless pin going through, a couple of those, and they are actually threaded into the opposite sides, and the handle has got a step into it so that that mechanical force from the screw is actually pulling the two handle slabs together. As well as that, it's got a tapered tang, it's got epoxy handle, it's got a stainless wrist thong there, brass guard, which is the kind of traditional one that Loveless used to do. It's got a little notch in there where it all fits into it's a notch in the tang, it's like bisected, and the handle is a little notch that it all fits into. The blade itself is now sharp, yeah baby. A very sharp blade, hollow ground, so it's got a swoop in it, so it's taking all the weight out. I haven't actually weighed that, interestingly enough. Don't know what it weighs. We'll quickly do that. This will be in grams, so if you're somewhere else in the world where they use some weird system, you'll have to convert it, because I can't be bothered. So 241 grams, so not particularly heavy, but not, you know, not featherweight, not svelte, but it's a good, turn off, it's all turn off, anyway, so it's a good weight, hollow ground. Here's something to test the edge with. Yeah, this should do. Yeah. So what has to be happening next is I'm going to add some wax to this. It's been it's mostly done, but not quite as done as I want it to be done. So I've been burnishing the edges. So that's when you take this wooden tool here and you just rub it up and down. I'm not particularly experienced with that yet, so we'll get into that at some point. But double stitch there, nice tight, good leather, drain hole. You can see the drain hole. So anyway, if it fills up with rain while you're out, the rain will come out. Solid piece. I've just got a couple of final touches to do. Maker's mark, waxing the sheath with some beeswax that I've got, and then I've got to decide what I'm going to do with it. And either I'm going to potentially give it away, probably I'm going to try and sell it, or maybe I'll use it. But there'll be another one made shortly, because now that I've kind of learnt what I'm doing and I kind of like the effect, I'm going to continue doing it. Yeah, anyway, that's where we're at to now. Like I said, this one will be another video once I've fully kind of worked out what I wanted to work out about it. Right, have a great day, great weekend and all the rest, and see you soon.